Hello, Mrs. Bartholow here. Today we're going to make homemade air dry clay. You can make this with things that are already in your house. What you're going to need is a mixing bowl, preferably a bowl that can be microwaved, a spatula or something to stir with, half cup of cornstarch, 4 ounces of white glue, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to combine all ingredients into our mixing bowl. Okay, now that we have our mixture, you're going to microwave this on high for 30 seconds, give it a stir, and then microwave again for 30 seconds. Okay, it just came out of the microwave. Now you're going to stir it until it has a clay-like consistency. Next, you're going to take some parchment paper and put it on your surface. And you're going to sprinkle just a little bit of cornstarch onto the parchment paper. Ooh, it's looking good. Okay, once you have your clay on your parchment paper, you're just going to keep folding it and kneading it until it feels like the right consistency. It shouldn't be too oily and it shouldn't be too dry. It should be kind of in between, like a very soft, almost like a very soft Play-Doh. Once you have that ready, you can make whatever you want out of it. I took my air dry clay and I made some little mini donuts. They look like little powdered donuts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let them dry and then I'm going to paint them tomorrow. Or what also you can do, if you don't have paint, you can put food dye in your air dry clay and knead it until you get the color that you want. If you're playing with it for a while, just know that it is air dry, so you might have to add a little bit of oil to it to get it to not dry out. And if you want it to stay overnight, you're going to want to put it in a plastic airtight container. I hope you had fun today making clay from easy things that you can find in the kitchen. I definitely had fun, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!